At LANshack, we offer a full MTP solution for your high-density applications and installations, including MTP Assemblies, Cassettes, and Enclosures. Our QuickTrex custom pre-terminated MTP assemblies are made in the USA and include genuine US Conec connectors and Corning glass. They come with a full test report and are plug-and-play ready. We can make them in any jacket type and strand count. Our QuickTrex premium MTP cassettes also include genuine US Conec connectors, low loss, are serialized, and come with a full test report. Our fiber optic enclosures are made with lightweight aluminum and are easy to handle while also offering premium durability. All of our fiber enclosures are also proudly made in the USA. Choose LANshack for your next MTP install.